I gave you guys a side view. Let's give you the front view perspective so that we can really bring it home for you guys. And this thing is literal. This is not like getting on the escalator. It is a predictable income escalator, meaning you can count on it based on execution. So once again, you complete the 2 smart steps how many times? 1 time. And that's to create 3 free cold wallet accounts, assign a token to 3 in 7 days or less 1 time, and teach duplication. So when the token is given, it puts people on the escalator and it moves you to $35 when you put 3 people on the escalator. When they turn around and do the exact same thing and they put 3 people on the escalator, it's going to make them go to 35. It's going to make you jump automatically to 47. And as it gets duplicated, it pushes you up to 96 independent of your involvement, to $258 in monthly residual cash flow independent of your involvement, up to $987 5 weeks independent of your involvement, all the way up, all right, independent of your involvement. That's how this income escalator works, right? So hopefully you guys were able to see exactly what we got going on here. So many people have been taught to pay for money with their time, right? We've all been there. That's what school teaches us, but we're teaching people how to pay for their time with a one-time out of pocket and teaching simple duplication, whereby we're able to divide our efforts by at the same time multiply our results, ladies and gentlemen.